I'm going to show you how you can change your age within your Epic Games account. This is especially useful if you accidentally set the wrong date of birth when you made your account and you're having problems with certain restrictions because Epic Games thinks you're too young. So to do this, the first thing we need to do is open up your preferred browser and type in Epic Games. Here, just select the top result here. On Epic Games, in the top right, you want to click the sign in button and either sign in via your email address, or if you have a different third-party login that you normally use, just use that. Once you've logged in the top left, you want to click the support button. And here you'll be greeted with a fun and interactive AI chatbot. Now, what we need to do is write something along the lines of change my date of birth. It will think for a few moments, and essentially it's saying that you need to submit a ticket. So to do this, at the very bottom, it says, would you like to speak with a member of our support team? You click yes. Then it will ask you how you want to speak to the support team. And you will never find a situation where you can speak one-on-one with somebody in support, but you can submit an email ticket. So click that. And as soon as you've done that, it will say your ticket was submitted and there's nothing else you need to do. They will reach out via email and ask for some specific information before they can change the date of birth of your account. If this video was useful, please consider giving it a like.